Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a big shout out to Lawrence. Don't remember his name. Dynamic quiz app using Google Sheets as source, blah, blah, blah. Very interesting class. Very much enjoyed it. However, I'm asking for help here. I have a working version of the code. I'll show you here. I'm in Atom 1.41, F5 over here, and you can see that now I have 4 A's and 4 A's. And when I click on quiz 1, quiz 2, you can see that the data is loading. Quiz 2, and then copy of quiz. Let's see what copy of quiz. Yes, it's there too. So it works. But when I go to, and I literally copy paste the code from here over here, I'm getting an error from Google saying that there is a missing semicolon before the statement. And I have gone over this code and I don't see where Google is complaining or why Google is complaining about a missing semicolon. Click on it and I get an error. Function, interesting. Save. It's not as well. It's only picking up my function. It's not even allowing me to call other functions. As you can see, there's quite a few of them. Yet it complains my function. Maybe that's what it wants, is my function in order for it to work. So let's try that. Maybe it's just fussy because it wants a function. Okay, so I just created a dead basically a non-function to try and match this, and it's still saying that I'm missing a semicolon at line 15. Any help in fixing this or identifying the nature of this bug is much appreciated. Thank you.